How to change the default system launcher on your Realme phone or even Oppo phones with Android 14, ColorOS, or even Realme UI 5. If you just installed a new system launcher and you want to switch it up to that new one from the Play Store, you'll go into the quick panel access, tap on the settings here. Once in this section here now, you'll go down to the part that says apps. As you're in the apps section here, you'll see where it says default apps. And you'll go into the default apps section. Now you'll see where it says launcher, which is the very first option. Tap on that one time and you'll be able to now switch over to this new type of launcher, okay? So make sure it's compatible, and also when you select the new launcher, keep in mind that it's gonna change everything around. Some of these launchers may cause some battery issues, so be careful on which one you install and which one you use. I would recommend the Smart Launcher one here. That one seems to be a lot neater for Oppo and Realme phones, okay? But if you decide you want to change it back to the system launcher, just go back to it and select it, and you should be good to go. Then uninstall the ones you don't want. Like and sub.